Hi East Bears, I'm Dr. Dennison. I'm here to talk about the attendance and grades incentive tracker for the 9th grade December attendance and grades incentive. So the incentive is all about gift cards and a game party. Miss Falone made a fantastic video explaining the details and how you want to see improvement in at least 6 of your 8 classes. We would love to see improvement in attendance and grades, but if you're working hard in one of those areas, we will strongly consider you inviting you to the party. Okay, this is only for the month of December. Today is December 2nd. And we are in school until December 18th. December 18th is a Friday, and that's the day of the party. So you just need to work really hard over the next 2.5 weeks, and you can earn an invitation to this party. So my video is about the attendance tracker. It is in the Freshman Academy Google Classroom. If you don't know, freshman is another word for 9th grader. So you are all freshmen, you're all 9th graders, and you need to get into the Google Classroom for the Freshman Academy. Many of you have joined. That's awesome to see. Some of you still can join or need to join, and this is the code that you join the class with. I'll show you how to do that in a minute. But when you get into the Freshman Academy Google Classroom, you go to the Classwork tab and open the assignment 9th grade attendance and grades incentive. And today, on December 2nd, Wednesday, you can complete steps 1 and 2. That is what I will show you. So you get your tracker started and you're off to the races. So now I'm going to go to the Google Classroom, and you can come back and rewind the video to see this code if you haven't joined yet. So let's go into, I'm just going to remind you how to add a class. So let's pretend I'm not in the freshman classroom, and I come up here to the plus sign and I want to join a class, and then I put in the class code. So this is a video that you can pause and rewind and go back to the beginning where I have the code. So I'm already a member in this class, so click on it, and it has a lot of good information in the stream. We want to focus on the classwork. Here in this assignment is where I'll put this video, and Miss Falone's awesome video introducing it is here, as well as your incentive tracking sheet. If you are a member of this Google Classroom, you are automatically assigned this tracking sheet. Now, you don't need to turn it in yet. Somebody did this morning, and I returned it to them with the comment, keep this until December 18th. And on December 18th, that's a Friday, you'll turn them in, and that's how we will invite you to the Among Us and gift card party. So you open up the tracking sheet, and up at the top is the description. Let's read it together. Students will be invited to a grade level wide Among Us tournament. I hear that's a fun game. I don't know. Do you think you could beat me? Maybe I'm going to practice. Okay, back to the directions. Students will be invited to a grade level wide Among Us tournament. Students will also be entered to win prizes. Criteria, the requirement, is 85% attendance. Attend all classes 11 out of the 13 days that you go to school in December. Grades must be improved in 6 out of 8 classes. Step 1. Look at your grades in Tyler and complete the grade table columns 2, 3, and 4. So here's the grade table. And on the left hand, the first column is the hour. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You will write in your class name. So first hour English, second hour, art, third hour, world history, fourth hour, PE, whatever your schedule is. The next column asks you, do you attend this class every day? Y/N. Y and N mean yes or no. So do you attend this class every day? Yes or no? Why or why not? Why or why not? What makes you motivated to go to that class every day? What doesn't make you motivated to go to that class every day? This is for you, so be honest, okay? We're not going to judge you. We really want to know. The fourth column has your current first semester grade. So that's where you'll go into Tyler and you will look at your current grade on December 2nd. Now, note about grades. We teachers know you have a lot of work to do. We are so proud of the work you're doing. We teachers also have a lot of grading, and we care about the grades that you earn. We take our time because we look at all of your work and we give you comments and feedback about how to make your work the best it can be. So we appreciate your patience as you wait for us to return your assignments, especially your late work. So please be patient with us. We are so proud of you, and we want to make sure you know exactly why you earn the grades you earn. So that is it for step 1, the grade table. Look at these columns. You're going to come back to these columns on Friday, December 4th, which is this Friday, Friday, December 11th, and Friday, December 18th, the last day of school. You're going to turn it in by 2 o'clock so we can see who has earned an invitation for the party that afternoon. It's going to be a fun day. We're going to eat lots of candy and get really excited. So up here is where you will come back to fill in your first semester grade on Fridays, okay? So you'll fill it in for each class. Let's scroll down to step 2. This is for week 1, so this is just 3 weeks, right? And you're going to do the same thing for week 1, week 2, and week 3, okay? Now, it looks like a lot, but you're doing it 1 week at a time. So let's just look at week 1. Step 2, at the end of each school day for week 1, fill in column 2 of attendance table 1 to track your attendance. And these are just yes or no questions. Did you attend your classes today, Wednesday? Yes or no? Yes or no? For Thursday, same for Friday. And step 3, I'll just preview that. Step 3, at the end of the week, so on Friday, go back to the grade table to record your grades in column 5, which is this column. Okay, then step 4 asks you to do these reflection questions. And so you'll do step 3 and 4 on Friday. I'll read step 4 questions out loud. The directions say, briefly answer the following reflection questions. Did any of your grades increase or decrease from the previous week? So you'll look at your current grade on December 12th or December 2nd, and then what is your first quarter grade on that Friday? And again, you're being patient with your teachers. So did your grades increase or decrease? Did they go up or down from the previous week, from where we started today on Wednesday? What contributed to this grade change? What made it happen? What made it work? What happened to make your grades increase or decrease? And then what are ways you can improve your attendance next week? So these are honest reflection questions we want you to think about, and we want you to start paying attention to your attendance and your grades. Okay, So I'm going to scroll back up to the top. This is what your tracker sheet looks like. Did we meet all of our things that we said we would? We can A, join the Freshman Academy with this code, go to the classwork tab, open the assignment, and complete steps 1 and 2. Today is Wednesday, December 2nd at 6:30 p.m. So you still have time to get in there to record your grades and your attendance for today. Thanks so much, Bears. Let all of your teachers, any of your teachers, know if you have questions. We put this together for you. We're very excited about it because we're so proud of all the hard work you've done. Take care, Bears.